The TerraMaster F2-425 is the latest addition to TerraMaster's growing line of network-attached storage devices. The F2-425 targets home users seeking a powerful, reliable and versatile solution without breaking the bank. TerraMaster has always positioned itself as the more affordable alternative, but this model demonstrates that lower cost does not necessarily mean sacrificing performance. This F2-425 replaces all the ARM-based NAS models, such as the F2-210 and the F2-212. Now, those devices were fine for basic file serving and backups, but they struggled with heavier tasks like video transcoding, media server management, or running multiple applications at once. This takes a big step forward by moving to an Intel x86 quad-core processor. This upgrade alone boosts overall system performance by up to 40% comparing to outgoing ARM models. For everyday users, that translates to faster transfers, smoother streaming, and the ability to handle more simultaneous tasks without hiccups. In terms of memory, the device ships with 4GB of DDR4 RAM, which is sufficient for the majority of home uses. Whether you're setting up shared folders for your family, running a Plex server for media streaming, or syncing documents across devices, 4GB gives you a comfortable starting point. Now, power users may be curious about expansion options, and I'm happy to say that the F2-425 can support a total of 16GB of memory, which is great to have. Networking is another highlight. Instead of sticking with the traditional gigabit Ethernet port, TerraMaster has equipped the F2-425 with a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port. This provides more than double the bandwidth of standard gigabit, which is increasingly important as people deal with larger files like 4K video libraries or massive photo archives. With the right network setup, transfers that used to take minutes can be completed in seconds. For anyone frustrated by slow local file transfers, this upgrade makes a noticeable difference. When it comes to storage, the two drive bays can each handle up to 30 terabytes, meaning you can install a total of 60 terabytes of raw capacity. That's more than enough for most households, and even for creative professionals like photographers and video editors who are dealing with very large media libraries. TerraMaster supports all the usual RAID configurations. RAID 0 for speed, RAID 1 for redundancy, as well as single disk setups. More interestingly, it also supports Triad and Triad Plus, which are flexible disk array technologies designed to maximize usable capability while still offering protection. This flexibility is particularly useful for users who want to expand their storage gradually instead of buying large drives all at once. Security is also one of the major considerations for any NAS, and the F2-425 comes with several layers of protection. It supports 2FA via one-time passwords and a security isolation mode that helps you keep your system safe from any external threats. There's also snapshot functionality through TerraMaster's TFSS system, which lets you roll back to early versions of files or recover quickly in case of ransomware or accidental deletion. These features mean your personal files, work documents and media collections are far less vulnerable than if they were just stored on a regular external hard drive. Another area where the F2-425 shines is Multimedia Performance. Thanks to its Intel processor, it supports hardware-accelerated 4K video decoding and encoding. For families who want to stream movies across multiple devices at the same time, or for users running a Plex or NB server, this capability is essential. Even if multiple users are streaming high-definition content simultaneously, the F2-425 is built to handle the load without stuttering or lagging. Now, on the software side, the F2-425 runs TerraMaster's latest operating system, TOS 6. This OS has steadily improved over time and now offers a cleaner interface, easier navigation, and growing library of apps. It allows you to manage user accounts, set up shared folders, create media servers, and even connect to cloud storage platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox. The web-based interface makes the setup approachable even for people with limited technical knowledge, and it doesn't require any command line expertise. For home users, this level of accessibility is one of the biggest selling points. When considering the F2-425, it's important to weigh in both its strengths and potential limitations. On the positive side, you're getting a big performance jump over previous models thanks to the Intel CPU and faster networking. The security features are robust. The maximum storage is huge for a 2-bay unit, and the multimedia capabilities are impressive. On the downside, while TOS 6 has improved, TerraMaster's ecosystem is still smaller than Synology's DSM platform, which remains the gold standard for third-party app support. Additionally, the base 4GB of RAM may not be enough for heavy multitaskers, especially for those who want to run multiple apps or virtual machines on the NAS. Overall, the TerraMaster F2-425 represents a strong mid-range NAS offering. It's fast, secure, and versatile, and it's priced competitively for what it delivers. For families looking to centralize their photos, videos, and important documents, or for hobbyists who want a reliable Plex server, it's a smart choice. For professionals on a budget who don't need the most advanced app ecosystem, it's also a very attractive option. The combination of Intel power, 2.5 gigabit networking, expandable storage and solid security makes it a well-balanced product that brings TerraMaster one step closer to matching the industry leaders. So if you're in the market for a new NAS and want strong performance without paying a premium, the F2-425 deserves serious consideration. It's a capable and forward-looking device that shows how far TerraMaster has come, and it could be the perfect storage hub for your digital life. I've been Adam from Tech Utopia, and thank you guys for joining me for another video. What do you guys think about the TerraMaster F2-425? I personally think it's amazing. If you like this, click the link down below to shop. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe.